Try on, meaning to test clothes by wearing them. Example: can I try on this jacket? Drop by, meaning to visit informally. Example: feel free to drop by any time. Carry on, meaning to continue. Example: please carry on with your work. Bring up, meaning to mention or introduce a topic. Example: Sarah brought up an interesting idea during the meeting. Drop off, meaning to deliver someone or something. Example: I need to drop off these documents. Catch up, meaning to reach someone or something ahead. Example: you go ahead, I'll catch up later. Come up with, meaning to think of an idea or plan. Example: John came up with a great solution to the problem. Show up, meaning to appear or arrive. Example: he didn't show up for the meeting. Give up, meaning to stop trying. Example: don't give up on your dreams. Get along, meaning to have a good relationship. Example: Sarah and John get along very well. Hold on, meaning to wait a moment. Example: hold on, I'll be right back. Go on, meaning to continue. Example: the show must go on despite the rain. Look forward to, meaning to be excited about something in the future. Example: I look forward to our vacation next month. Look after, meaning to take care of. Example: she looks after her younger brother. Pick up, meaning to collect someone or something. Example: can you pick me up from the airport? Make up. Meaning, to invent a story or lie. Example, he made up an excuse for being late. Run out of. Meaning, to have none left. Example, we ran out of milk, so I need to buy some. Put off. Meaning, to delay or postpone. Example, they put off the meeting until next week. Set up. Meaning, to arrange or establish. Example, they set up a new company last year. Cut down. Meaning, to reduce. Example, I need to cut down on sugar. Take care of. Meaning, to look after or be responsible for. Example, please take care of my plants while I'm away. Take off. Meaning, to remove clothing or to leave the ground airplane. Example, the plane took off on time. Break down. Meaning, to stop working machines. Example, my car broke down on the way to work. Turn down. Meaning, to refuse or reject. Example, she turned down the job offer. Workout. Meaning, to exercise or solve a problem. Example, I try to work out every morning. Turn off. Meaning, to stop a machine or light. Example, please turn off the lights when you leave. Come across. Meaning, to find by chance. Example, I came across an old photo album in the attic. Write down. Meaning, to write something on paper. Example, please write down your phone number. Break up. Meaning, to end a relationship. Example, they broke up after 5 years together. Back up. Meaning, to support or make a copy of data. Example, make sure to back up your files. check out, meaning to investigate or leave a hotel. Example: let's check out that new restaurant. Bring out, meaning to publish or release. Example: the company will bring out a new product next month. Come in, meaning to enter. Example: come in and have a seat. Come back, meaning to return. Example: I'll come back in a minute. Get back, meaning to return. Example: when will you get back from your trip? Find out, meaning to discover or learn. Example: I need to find out what time the movie starts. Figure out, meaning to understand or solve. Example: can you figure out how to fix this? Give away, meaning to donate or give for free. Example: she gave away all her old clothes. Grow up, meaning to become an adult. Example: I grew up in a small town. Go ahead, meaning to start or proceed. Example: go ahead and start without me. Keep up, meaning to maintain the same pace. Example: keep up the good work. Hang out, meaning to spend time socially. Example: do you want to hang out this weekend? Put on, meaning to dress in clothing. Example: put on your coat, it's cold outside. Pay back, meaning to return money owed. Example: I'll pay you back tomorrow. Wake up, meaning to stop sleeping. Example: I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. Take out, meaning to remove or extract. Example: please take out the trash. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more knowledgeable videos.